The goal with this activity is to work the upper body and the core. It's also a great mobility exercise. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna be in a low or immature oblique sit. For that, I want this leg down like this, opposite foot's up and in front like so. You're gonna get down on your forearm like you're doing a side plank. The cable's in the high position. From here, you're gonna silent in, exhale, slowly press through the forearm, look at the cable. Take a silent in through the nose, exhale, pull down to the hip, rinse and repeat. The easiest position is facing like this. If you want to up the difficulty, you can go at this angle here and pull down the hip like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.